What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, like I said, I ain't been having too much going on, but I've been daily driving RnB. So that's what we're gonna do today, man. I'm just run some errands in the car, take y'all along with me. What else we got to do? My mind blank. I be having a lot to do, but I just don't be showing everything. But I'm gonna take y'all along for the ride. And I know what, we're gonna see how much boost this thing make. Cause I was thinking about it today before I came up with the idea for this video. And I'm doing it cause, like I said, I read y'all comment. Some people be saying they just be wanting something to watch, man, even though it might not be the most action in it. So I respect it. So what I'm gonna do today, I said while we out riding, I'm gonna try to make me a little hit and film the boost gauge at the same time, cause I myself have never looked at the boost gauge since I got it mounted where it's at. I never looked at the boost gauge just to see what type of boost it make, cause I really don't know. So we gotta do that, and that's really what it gonna be today. Like I said, we just taking RnB out cause we've been neglecting her, and I ain't gonna tell you no lie, I'm ready to drive John Jones again now. I ain't drove it in 2 weeks now. But when you got this many cars, man, like somebody gonna lack, man. Cause you can drive one every day of the week, and I mean the whole week go by, but you realistically you ain't gonna do that. So it like somebody gonna go 2-3 weeks at a time without being driven. So like when the truck get back, when brown coat get back, I'm gonna be in brown coat. I'm gonna be wanting to drive it cause it been gone. So then the rest of them gonna get neglected. Then you know when meats get oil pressure, I'm gonna be wanting to drive meats. So everybody else gonna it like every time I get one back, it like it's brand new all over again. So you know somebody get neglected, or if I get something done to one, I be wanting to drive it cause it been gone, whether it been a week or so, and then you know it get neglected. But I had been in Dolo for the last 2-3 weeks, so Dolo getting a break right now. Then I'm gonna jump back in it, and I'm gonna jump back in it and go back to the track, then go on the rims and all that. But right now we're on RnB. So that we got going on today. But I'm gonna wait till it cool off some cause it's super hot. It's super hot right now. So in the evening we'll jump in that thing. So that y'all just... Alright, y'all, we checking in. I've been on the phone the last few days, man. I ain't been wanting to look at that big camera rail, man. Taking a break from it. So we getting rhythm and blues uncovered. Reading the comments stuff, man. I know people like, some of y'all be like, man, y'all just want something to watch. So this is what I'm doing, man. Really no plan today, nothing too wild going on. Like I said, like not too much going on. So, but like I said, when I told y'all I was gonna daily drive this car for the next 4 days, I wasn't capping. So that's what we doing. This is day 3. Driving the car. Like I said, I've been chilling. Cooled off, evening time. I got to run, go get some groceries. So we're gonna go get some groceries in a grocery getter. So I'm gonna get this thing, gold stuff flying here. I'm gonna get this thing uncovered, and we're gonna take out y'all. So y'all all right, man. We got all ready to cool, fired up, warmed up, ready to go. Go get some gas. Man, this little engine runs so good, man. I'm about crazy for you. I'm about to take it out. It run good, man. I'm gonna take the whole. I might buy new heads and everything. Take the whole engine, man, and sell it complete to somebody. I might stick it in wiper, but I don't know. You never know. I don't know. I might do something with it. So I don't know, man. We finna load up. Head to Walmart.
Cedra, you've done it again.
Alright, y'all, first stop, man, at the gas station. Y'all know this thing, man. They're the only, like I told y'all, man, they're the only thing I hate about driving the car. But I told y'all I'm gonna drive it every day for the next 4 days. So that's what I'm doing. But when I say this car here be robbing, boy, it be killing some gas, man. I'm gonna go ahead and fill this thing up this time. I've been peeling around the other time, but I'm finna fill this bad boy up, man. Look at that, y'all tail it low. Y'all hear that fuel spray? That boy thirsty, man. She thirsty. So we gonna gas up. We gonna gas up, then go get the grocery. Then we gonna all right, y'all, we checking in, man. Checking in. Like I said, y'all, we done went. Boom, got the grocery. Back and rhythm and glue. Then we're gonna head back to the house. Then we're gonna get into net. Y'all already know I'm gonna make a shakedown. Cause every time I drive, I got to make a shakedown. Every time, gotta make sure we don't scratch this thing up. Like I said, y'all, real deal street car, do real deal street car stuff. So y'all know how we do. So we finna load these groceries up, get back to the house, and then I'm gonna holler at y'all about some more stuff. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, y'all. So look, I was heading back. I was thinking about it. I said I ain't never seen exactly how much boost this thing make. So what we gonna do, I'm finna try to multitask. I'm gonna hold y'all right here. We gonna see how much boost this thing make, man. I'm finna make a pull. Oh, my bad, by the hand. I'm gonna make a pull, y'all. I don't know how much it made. Y'all saw it before I did, cause like I said, I'm focusing on the road, man. Yeah, I wish I had a GoPro. Y'all can see how that driving going down, boy. But woo-hoo, that supercharger sounded good, boy. Old RnB was moving on these hard times, man. RnB was moving on a little hard time. This is a good hard time car. This is a perfect amount of power for hard times. So I guess I'm gonna see it when I get back, and then I'll say how much boost it made. Cause at the time I ain't saw it. But I'm gonna turn this off. I'm gonna turn the camera off, and then we're gonna get back to the house. And then I'm gonna see, cause I'm curious to see how much boost that bad boy made. I might have to do another pull, cause I don't know if I had the angle good. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so look. I think I'm finna make another one. Need that calorie. I'm gonna make sure I get that gauge good, man. Let me see. I have to do it quick before call come. Let me see. Get it. Hey boy, this is a perfect hard tie car, I'm telling you. This is the perfect hard tie car, man. RnB, man. I'm gonna stay this thing up before I get home, man, cause I'm just rolling out. I'm just rolling out and going to it. I ain't trying to get no RPM on it and get on the converter. If I can get on the converter and this thing don't blister the tire, oh, it's on. I might go to the track, try it on hard tires again, see what kind of number I can get. But man, we headed back to the house. We're gonna take these groceries, get these groceries in. We're gonna take. All right, y'all. So it's literally the next day, man. When I got back yesterday, the bottom fell out. When I say the bottom fell out, man, my cover was getting wet. I had to hurry up. That's why I got the car uncovered now, cause I had to let the cover dry off, man. I was out here in the rain throwing the cover on it, car getting wet and stuff. But it had been laying flipped out like this, so I was like, man, it catch sun, I'm gonna throw it out here and let it dry out. So boy, it was pouring down. I'm talking about a little bit before I got home, the bottom just fell out. So I was like, oh well, it's a wrap. When I had did that, man, I ain't even think to close the video out and stuff and show y'all the cutlass parts. So, as y'all know, we got All of this still for not Big Dolo, I'm tripping, Big Meats. Big Meats, right? But look what I done bought. Y'all ready? I caught this. Boom. We got a block. Y'all probably said, well, you got another block. Well, save myself some time, which now at this point, I don't know what I'm gonna do with Cheapskate old engine, not Cheapskate, Dolo old engine. But this what I got. This block is already prepared for a stroker. And y'all can see. You can see right here. When you see a block like that, it been clearance for a stroker. So, cause normally see they're straight right there. They go straight down. And you gotta be careful how you do it, you know, so you don't cut into the water jackets. It's a 4-bolt main, 4-bolt main block. It's a good block, like I said. So already been clearance for the stroker. I'm gonna take it, put it in the vat. I'm gonna put it in the vat, have it all clean, and we gonna use this one cause it's already ready. Rehone the cylinders, and then shoot, I'm gonna buy my crank rotating assembly, buy my crank pistons, and all that. We're gonna make a 383 stroker, supercharged 383. So, and I was gonna do 388, but I was like, man, I can get this block and then have more meat in the cylinders, in the block, so we're gonna do a 383. So I got the block right here. Boom, boom, let me get that thumbnail. I got the block right there. So this the engine for RnB. So RnB, we got the engine. Y'all know that's what's going on. So I told y'all I was finna get this thing on the way. We about to get this on the way. So I'm gonna get my rotating. Well, I told you I'm gonna have to buy it in pieces cause I was looking at rotating assemblies, man. They too far out, so I literally gonna buy it in pieces, man. We're gonna run a disc piston, about 9.5 to 1. I got me a camshaft already picked out, a nice little camshaft. I already got a cart ready. All I gotta do is go hit the put the payment information in, and then we on the way. We on the way. So you know, I got some parts. I got some more parts too for it, but y'all ain't gonna see them yet. I got some more parts for it too, but we finna get this thing on the way. I already got the intake. I got everything, but I'm just showing y'all the block. Like I said, boy, it's too hot, man. It's too hot. Y'all know I got the Thornton hat on. But like I said, I got stuff on the way. And we about to get this bill going, man. We about to get this bill going. That's why, like I said, I got parts out. Like instead of using the top end, the heads off of that, man, I just gonna buy everything new, do a whole new engine car. That's such a good running engine, and I ain't want to take it apart. It's a good running engine. It still run good. I can pull it. So it can be somebody else's engine, man. I can sell it. Somebody else have a nice thing, nice little setup, leave the blower on it and everything. Instead of piecing it out, somebody have a whole engine. And then if they want to just piece out, they want to buy it just for the blower, they can do it. But y'all see it run good. You put it in your car, 300 horse. Y'all know it's a 300 rear wheel horsepower engine. Got dyno sheets to prove that. And we're gonna give it a little more ump, nothing more. Like I said, not gonna be radical, still gonna be real road friendly. Something to create a lot of vacuum, so the heat and AC works real good. And that's where I gotta go. I gotta go to the parts store, which I might go today. And if I do go today, then y'all probably see it tomorrow. But I told y'all we're gonna go ahead and get AC done on this. And I seen the comment. I forgot who made it, but shout out to him. Cause what he was saying, dude, I'm like, I'm gonna do all that stuff anyway, cause I had it like school of the hard knocks teacher. But he was saying basically vacuum out the system, change the orifice tube. He said change the dryer, which my dryer okay. My dryer okay. I know that for a fact, cause it's not that old. The dryer okay, but like I said, if stuff been sitting out, open lines and stuff, you need to do that stuff. So shout out to him for saying that. Which I did actually know to do that, and it's just because of school of the hard knock. I'm telling you, I had a box Chevy. I had a box Chevy years ago. It was a gold. It was like a gold color. And I said, I'm gonna put the AC on it. Had the line, hooked it up, hooked the line up to the condenser and charged it up. Boy, then vacuumed none of that stuff out. When I say that pressure built up in that line and it sounded like a gunshot, I said, boom! I said, whoo! Well, I jumped out my skin, man. It was me and Unc. Cause at the time, Unc didn't have the vacuum pump to vacuum out the system. I said, man, good God Almighty, boy, I like to jumped out my skin. So if that stuff back up, it will. It'll, boy, It ain't pretty. All I can say, it ain't pretty. So, but shout out to him, man, for saying that. There was some good information for people that didn't know, cause I didn't think to say that. But I'm definitely gonna do everything he said, cause I didn't, trust me, I didn't know, I didn't did it before, and it's not pretty. So we're gonna have AC on this thing, which will be an easy task. And I figure I'm gonna have to study a week. I'm gonna go ahead and get the condenser, and gonna put the AC on rhythm and blues and all that. And man, y'all know what? Let me see. I know I was telling y'all, I said I want to see how much boost this thing make. And I got home and never even looked at the footage. So let me see. Let me see. Hold on, I'm trying to look at it now. Y'all probably hear it. Let me see how much boost this thing made. Still kind of, man, kind of fuzzy. Don't look like but 3 pounds. 3 pounds, might have made 5. I don't know if I turn it up harder. But like I said, it don't make much boost. But even this engine could make more power, but cause you can spin the blower harder, but at that point, you might be risking hurting the engine then. So it don't need to make no more than that. But could the engine make more power? It probably could get it to make 350 to the wheel or something like that. If you spin the blower harder and do some more stuff. I mean, I can make the power with it in the car. Change some stuff, but why do it in the bottom end? The bottom end not designed for high boost. It ain't. And that's what we're gonna change, cause we're gonna H-beam rod. I might go I-beam rod on it. I'm not gonna put that much boost on it. And I ain't gonna be making H-beam rod horsepower, but I might go I-beams on them. Probably gonna go I-beam, forged I-beams. Gotta get the piston with the right piston the rod clearance and stuff. Small base circle cam. When you're doing a stroker, get your small base circle cam. Now if you run an aftermarket block, you can get away with it. You can get away with a regular base circle and stuff. But using these stock blocks, it's good to run a small base circle cam so the rods don't hit and stuff. When you run a longer rod, a 6-inch rod, you might can get away with it with a 5.7 rod and a stroker, but you know, I still small base circle cam, give yourself that clearance and all of that. So I'm gonna take the piston and rod clearance and all that. Make sure everything A1 on the money, and we're gonna go and do that. We'll run a 6-inch rod, I-beam rod, clearance for a stroker, stroker crankshaft. Probably run with some Mali pistons. I like their pistons. Ain't no need for no diamonds or none of that stuff. There's some real high horsepower stuff. Ain't no need for custom pistons and different forgings and stuff. Called you see 4340 steel, but you got 5140. You got different forgings. You got different forgings of steel, and some of them ain't good. Some of them start. They ain't really designed to be riding around on all the time. Cause then they start. You have piston slap, depending on the steel, the aluminum alloy and stuff it made out of. You got piston slap. That's why most people use 4340 steel, but even 4340 got its limits to power. When you making serious power, you better get a different alloy. But that's stuff you learn along the way. I'll talk later about that in another vlog. But say we got the block, we got some more stuff, but I'm gonna show y'all later. And that's it, man. I'm about to go in the house. I just had to close this thing out. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.